there any job that you guys love more than stringing a weed eater? Breaking out the old steel, maybe cleaning up a mess that you spent years making. Because it's the first rain-free day you've had, and I couldn't even tell you when. Yep, that would be us tonight. Putzing away. It's been raining here constantly, just nothing but rain. So I was going to work on our knife a little bit more tonight, but like I said, it's our first sunshine day we've had forever. It's really nice out. So I've got to do some cleanup around here before I have mutiny in my own house. So I figured why not, we'll get moving at it, do a little bit, and then it'll sit for 8 or 9 months until I get to it again. Usually seems to be the way it goes. Well, that's alright. What do you do? You. Oops, did I say that on the camera? Oh, you dirty. Hey. I love it. If I get one suggestion, and gee, you're doing that wrong, I'm shutting the channel down. I'm just telling you right now. Just one. That's just one. Okay, I probably won't shut the channel down, but not a word. Not a word. There we go. You guys are about to witness a $500 weed eater going for a ride. Boys, it's been a long time since we've had weather nice enough just to kind of sit out here, relax a little bit, burn some stuff off, a little bit of spring cleanup. Boy, there's nothing that feels nicer than that after a long winter, just coming out and burning stuff off. We've had a burn ban on here all spring, so it's just been lifted within the last few days, so trying to get done what we can. God, so nice to hear birds again and some peepers, things like that. Always going, you always go through the old videos and you hear the birds and the frogs and all that and the crickets all summer long, and you're watching those old videos in the middle of winter time and it's almost depressing. But anyway, we're just kind of plugging along here, starting to try to get this stuff cleaned up, for summer before everything grows in so much that we just can't get it anymore. Or we'll be able to get it, but you guys know what I mean. It's always such a mess. It's funny how when you're doing a big project, it's really funny on how much focus you end up getting on that big project, and you really lose sight of doing things like cleaning up after yourself and things like that. And then when the dust all settles and you actually stop and you look at what you have, you look around and it's almost overwhelming. But I've been kind of looking through, wandering around in here tonight, seeing what's what, and I'm finding lost treasure everywhere in here. I'm finding fiberglass fence posts for my cows. I found a whole pile of metal that I saved for welding and blacksmithing. At least it's up off the ground, but it's good and rusty. So I found a pile of that. I found a nice curved cherry log for the mill that I planned on milling. I have a few elm logs I found in here tonight. I have some poplar logs I found in here tonight. It's just unreal. It's like a treasure chest in here. That's from 3 years worth of just stuff just getting shoved right in there and tossed in. And boy, it'll be nice when she gets cleaned up. It'll be real nice. So also we're still planning that trip with my boy, and boy is that exciting. He's getting really excited now, and that's awesome. That's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait for that one. So, but anyway, it's just kind of a springtime vlog type. I feel like such a douchebag saying the word vlog, but I guess that's really what it is. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little glimpse into the everyday, and I'll catch you on the next one.